position yourself for several multiple free airdrop on this startup program. How do you join this startup program happening on Gates.io exchange? These are ways whereby you can earn free airdrop without tapping, without mining, without farming, without doing any testnets or on-chain activities. You just need to position yourself by following the procedure and everything I'll be explaining in this video. So what do you need to do? If you are new to Gates.io exchange, or you've probably registered but not taken advantage of all what I'm about to show you here, then this is the best time for you to kickstart your free earning on this exchange. So what do you need to do? Sign up using the registration link. Check the registration link to Gates.io exchange in the description box or the pin post in the comment section of this video. Or you can also download the app, then make use of the referral code while registering. So after you're done registering, this is what you have on the app. This is the app interface and the home page. You need to proceed to do your KYC 1 and 2. Very important. Before you can start earning this free airdrop on this exchange, you have to do your KYC 1 and 2. KYC 2 is very important. So this is where you come here, you'll see verified, and that's where you'll be able to see your KYC 1 and 2. Then make sure you complete the KYC 2 before you can join the startup program. So now to join the startup program, this is where you earn the free airdrop, multiple airdrop at the same time, without tapping, without mining, without meeting, without doing anything. So this is it. Come to this end page here. You see earn loan startup. This startup are what we are engaging in. You can see our most talk about the Airmail, the Nagi, the Pestoshi, the cookie. You see, I made videos on this cookie. I made videos on this Airmail for you to know that this is real. Like this is massive. So you do well to position yourself on this exchange and take advantage, because you are not even doing anything. It's not taking your time. It's not taking anything from you. Just position. So how do you position? After you've registered and completed your KYC 1 and 2, then come to the startup page, engage in this startup program. To engage in this WOF, which is in progress, you see we have 11 of them currently in progress under the startup, meaning you can position for all of these 11 by doing absolutely nothing. Just follow what I'm about to say. So to position for this WOF airdrop, you need to hold the GT token. The GT token is the native token of the Gates.io exchange. The same way BNB is to Binance, that's the same way this GT is to Gates.io exchange as well. So the moment you buy and hold this GT token on your spot balance, you're not doing anything with this. Just buy and hold and let it be there on your balance. An additional advantage of holding this token is because this is a native token of a top tier exchange, and believe me, it's Moon. So the same way other exchange token are mooning, that's the same way this coin is also going to moon. So this will also be a potential investment. Just buying and holding, and you are taking advantage of this free airdrop as well. You see Land Wolf airdrop, this is ending in less than 13 hours. So the minimum to hold in this for this particular airdrop, this Wolf airdrop, the minimum GT coin to hold is 10 pieces. You come to this trade button here. After you've sent your USDT to this exchange, trade GT. You can buy GT here. Once you click on this button here, just search GT. Then you can make use of your USDT and buy GT. This is it. Then buy GT and hold, and let it be on your spot balance. This is your spot balance. Let it be on your spot balance. This is where you can deposit your USDT. Buy the GT and let it be on your spot balance. Then you automatically qualify for this startup program, or for this particular WOF airdrop, to receive this WOF airdrop. And this is another one too. This is Airmail listing tomorrow. This Airmail is listing tomorrow. For those that have been following up, you can use one stone to kill multiple birds here on this Gates.io. This Airmail, you don't need to hold any GT. You just need to hold a minimum of 10 USDT on your spot balance. have a minimum of $10, which is 10 USDT on your spot balance, and you also qualify for this airtime airdrop on this gate.io exchange. Forget the fact that you also farm the airtime on the app, or you register and receive 250 EMC. You can also receive free airtime token here just by holding $10 in the next 16 hours. This is ending in 16 hours from now. It's listing tomorrow on the 12th of June. So to take advantage of this ongoing airtime, just send in some USDT, minimum of 10 USDT. The more you have, the more your allocation. So once you have the USDT on your spot balance, you are not trading it, you are not spending it, you are not selling it, you are not doing you are not converting it to anything. Just hold it, just have it on the exchange, and that's it. So the moment you have it on the spot balance, that's it. You automatically qualify for this airtime as well as this Nagi here. You see, this is ending in 16 hours too. This also minimum of 10 USDT on your spot balance, ending in 16 hours. You see cookie today. Okay, this cookie is exclusive for GT holders. So this cookie and this wolf airdrop, you need to hold 10 minimum of 10 GT token. Just buy 10 GT token and have it on your spot balance. Remember, it's still your money. You are not selling it. You are not doing anything with it. You are not trading it. Just buy and hold. Once you buy and hold and you have it on your spot balance, it will automatically qualify you for this startup program. And at the end of the this countdown that you're saying, you come back here to claim. Your allocation will be visible, and you come back here to click on claim, and you have your token. All this airdrop is listing. As I said earlier, you remember I told you airtime listing on Gates. So all this airdrop that you're claiming for free, all this 11 is listing on this exchange, meaning you can sell once you receive, and you can sell them to USDT once you receive and withdraw your USDT. So you are not doing anything with your balances that you are holding here. Just make your money work for you. No tapping, no mining, no farming, no testnet. Just register, do your KYC 1 and 2. Have a minimum of 10 USDT on your spot balance, or have a minimum of 10 GT token on your spot balance. Once you have a minimum of 10 USDT on your spot balance, you qualify for those that are not exclusive to GT token. Once you have a minimum of GT token, a 10 GT token on your spot balance, you qualify for the GT holders exclusive. So we have them in two categories. Some in for GT holders exclusive, meaning that if you hold GT token, you receive this, and others for just USDT holders exclusive. So meaning that if you hold USDT minimum of $10, you earn this. So that's how it works. So if you are holding GT and you are also holding USDT, then you qualify for everything. All these 11, you qualify for the and these are programs that they are continuous. So it's not limited. It doesn't end here after this 11. They are always continuous. You keep earning as long as you keep holding those USDT and the GT token on your balances. So after you receive the airdrop, you can sell on this exchange and withdraw the USDT. So you make your money work for you by holding potential coin, which is the GT token, and also holding the USDT to earn more airdrop and get free airdrop without tapping, without mining, without doing anything. So guys, this is a top-notch update. I'm expecting you guys to jump on it and embrace it. Sign up using the registration link, or download the app and use the referral code. And position yourself for this airdrop happening on Gates.io startup. Do your KYC 1 and 2 is very important so that you'll be able to join this airdrop program. So this is all about this Gates.io startup program. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell for more potential airdrop updates, back-to-back projects like this. You don't want to miss out on anything. Join my Telegram community and be active. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.